Alright, so now we're going to get into configuring step 4 and step 5, configuring WordPress and the WordPress theme. And so the first thing that we want to do is load our FTP client, and I use FileZilla. It is a free one. And we're going to log in. The first thing we're going to go is to the public HTML directory, and then we're going to go to the directory that we want to install it in. And so that would be Artifu. And then you want to go to the WP content. Okay, anytime you upload any kind of plugins or themes to WordPress, it will be in here. And then we have the plugins and the themes. And what I have over here, I guess I should bring this, is I've just kind of put the theme that I'm going to be using and the plugins in here. Now, one of the theme stores that I really like is Woo Themes, and they've got a couple free free themes that you can do. You can view the collection here. What would work well? These are all really well done themes. Most of them are tableless, which is good for search engine optimization, and they're pretty easy to look, just get looking good. So the one that I'm going to be using is Optimize. So I've already bought this, and basically I'm just going to put this up and get it rolling. All right, so I've got a couple of the plugins and the theme that I want to use that are in here. And what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to kind of make it easier to see this, is I'm going to first select all the plugins that I want, and then I'm going to drag those up into the plugins. Okay, and I just drag in the folder, the most root type of folder that I can, so the most commented. And this is really how you install plugins. Pretty link, popularity contest, let's put that in. Top commentators, tweet me. What would Seth Godin do? Automatic upgrades. Oh, put that into the themes. That's a mistake. Put that into plugins and yet another related plugins. All right. Now for the themes, they also suggest these ones that come with the Optimize, so we can put them in as well. And you'll see that all this, just kind of happens in the background. A lot of stuff being uploaded. Now, the one thing that I need to do is I need to go into the theme section now, because I thought I had uploaded something in here. See, automatic upgrade. Okay, so we're going to need to take that out, but first I'm going to upload the Optimize folder right into the themes directory. Just drag and drop. Right click and delete. And then what you do is you just wait for this to finish. It shouldn't be too much longer to do. You can see there's about 350 files still have to go, and 187 that have already been uploaded. But that's just kind of what you do. You drag the plugins into the plugin section, and you drag the theme that you're going to use into the theme section, and then you just wait. Pretty simple. So what I'll do now is I will pause this video and just wait till the rest of you know, the themes and the plugins are uploaded, and then we'll go into you know, into the configuring a little bit later on here. Okay, so now you see that everything has been completed, and it still looks like this. So what we're going to do is go to the admin. And we're going to log in. And this is just RoboForm. I just use this to help remember some of these passwords. Okay. So I'd like to change it to something. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna change it. Okay. So we'll update that. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my first name and last name in here under the user, the admin, you know, what I can do for the nickname. Is do that, put in, you know, my website, and you know, you can put some information there, but we're not gonna really worry too much about that. Now here's where you see the plugins. You always want to keep your plugins up to date. You can see that I've uploaded them, and most of them are up to date, but some of them aren't, and it's not a big problem. You can just go to click on upgrade automatically, and then activate. You want to activate it. Now this ASCII met comes with your WordPress install, and what you do want to do is, you know, have an API key, and you need to register for one, but this keeps spam off your blog. So I'm just going to enter mine now. Hang on for a second. Okay, automatically discard more than a month, and there we go. Okay, so the site, I'll just open it in a new tab here, still looks like this. You know, not really great. And what we're going to do is to change that. Well, there's a couple things that we want to do first. First, I like deleting this, you know, this comment. You don't really need that. And then the under the post, there's also a you know, default post, and we're going to click trash on that as well. And one of the first things that I like to do is to put in, you know, some links. These are the default links on the blog roll, and I like to, you know, get rid of a few of them here. And then on the other ones, I like to, you know, just kind of change it to, you know, what I like. So MLM Zing. Trade for network marketers, and click update link. I might also put here, you know, my blog. Okay, and you can do it with the www or without. And just for the sake of fun, we'll put one of our, you know, put an affiliate link here. Okay, so now when we go to the site, this is what we'll see. But in the blog roll, we got some links to, you know, some of our own stuff. But the real key happens. Okay, now we got some plugin upgrades here. And the easiest way to upgrade a bunch of plugins all at once is to go to Tools, click Upgrade, and then I select all of them and just click Upgrade Plugins, and then boom, it's done it all for me. Okay, so we want to go to the appearance. Okay, the appearance is where we manage your different themes. And the first thing that you want to do is activate it. Okay, so once we've got this activated, that's perfect. Okay, so here we are in the widget section, and basically what you have is a sidebar and then several footers. Basically 4 footers, and let's go see what our site looks like now. I'm just going to hit refresh, and here we are. Still looks pretty blank, but the footers are going to be down here. Now in the sidebar, what I usually put here is arbitrary text or HTML. And what I do is I put an opt-in here, opt-in, find out about, let's say, get the facts, and then I put my autoresponder code here. Okay. And I'm not going to do that right now. We'll come back and deal with that a little bit later. All right. And in the footer, I mean, what you can do is you can just really put any of these in right now. I often like using a add space here. You can put an image URL, a URL location, and some alternate text. Let's put some the blog roll in the second footer, and let's put a tag cloud here. Okay. And we'll do the pages here because these are important. Actually, let's do the posts. Put the recent posts here. Okay. So we got that. What I really want to do is put an ad space URL in here, but again, we can. Now let's just grab something, just for fun. Now, of course, you can put a just the image and the URL and do the text all by yourself, or we can just grab links here. And I will find some of the ones I have a relationship with already, and let's do let's just sort this, see what's making it a lot of money. Okay, so Ring Central, why not? What we want to do is just grab the JavaScript here. I normally select my page, open it in a new window, and copy that over to the add code, and I click save. And now when we click refresh, we'll start to see this coming together. Here is the badge. Here's the blog roll, the tag cloud. We don't have any posts yet, and then the last one, we don't have any posts yet either. So there's nothing there yet. But it's all good. We're starting to kind of get this whole thing together. The other thing that you really need to do with a blog right away is set custom permalinks, and I'm going to tell you what to do. /%postname %/. Just do that. This is what Matt Cutts of Google recommends, and it's good. All right. So a lot of this stuff, can be done a little bit later. We have a special section for optimize once it's been installed, and basically you can change the color here a little bit. We'll just stick with the default for now. Custom logo. If we have a logo, we can put that in. I'm just going to enable the blog title, so if you don't have a logo, you don't really need to worry about that. Favicon, what I'm going to do is move over to my pictures section. And then I'm going to go and commonly used graphics, and I usually just select some arrows for this, just to kind of draw attention to it. So there we go. Tracking code. What you want to do is post your Google Analytics in here. Let's go set that up actually. Alright, and so we are going to add a website profile here for a new domain. Type in artofviewreview.com and click finish. And then basically what we want to do is select this all and pop it right in here. I mean, that's how quickly it happens if you already have an analytics domain, RSS feed. You can do that later. There's a contact form. To put that in, and custom CSS if you want to change some stuff. So that's the general settings. The layout. You can just put that on. A lot of these are just different options here. Okay. A lot of these things you can just type in and then just refresh to see how it looks. Copywriting isn't as good when I'm, kind of feeling the pressure. I'm on the fly here. All right, I need to. I need to log in here and get my link. Okay, so copy email address. Join now, and team benefits. And I actually don't have the page for that yet, but I will put it up. And there we go. All right, so let's go here, visit the site, and see what it looks like now. Starting to see it's coming together. Artifew review. Discover why collecting art is a great business model. Makes perfect sense. And this would obviously, you know, fit better once I put the video in. Join now, and then team benefits. And then of course we've got this down here. And keep in mind, I mean, you know, because of the I'm doing Camtasia, I don't have my full screen. Looks a little bit more squished than it would in a normal site. So who are we? Okay. And this will just go to the about. And then we can put some quotes in here, different testimonials that we have, and let's actually grab a couple. All right. Testimonials. Okay. So let's grab this. All right, and then you can put in a bunch of other ones. Let's save that up. So now we got this who are we, you know, and then you can read more about it. Customer feedback. If you have more than one, it will kind of rotate between them. And you can start to see that our site is really coming together very quickly. Now, one of the things that we do need is a couple of different posts or different pages rather. And we have the about page, and I usually keep this one and I edit it. So. So we've got that. Obviously, I'm going to go back in and when I don't have the pressure of the video, kind of, put a little bit more content, a little bit more thought into, what I'm going to write here. But, okay, so let me update this. All right. And then we're going to add a couple pages. We're going to add team benefits. Let's see. Okay, so you can kind of get the idea of what this page is about. And here is the page. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to. This is one of the things in the theme options that it asked for. I think it was here, team benefits. Okay, we'll just plug that in there. All right. And pages. What else do we need to do? We need to add one on testimonials. So same kind of thing. And I should say the permalinks, what it does is you see this part in yellow right here. Okay, it takes whatever the title is and adds a dash if there's spaces, and that's where your page is. So that's why you want to have that permalink set. And that should be. Let's just do the custom navigation here. And what we need to do is enable it. So set the menu, and so this will basically just be a navigation on the top: team benefits, testimonials, and then add a custom URL. And I'm just adding this to the menu, and then we'll save all changes and go back here, and you see we got the favicon now, and basically put that there. Now the one cool thing about this theme also is you can put a video right here. And let me find out where that is. Homepage info box. No, it must be this one. Okay. So this is the image that basically that is going to be in the main part of the blog, and then we can have it go to video, and basically has a play button on it. So let me try to show you how to do this. All right. Now let's just say we're going to be doing this.
Okay, this is a video of about Team Zeus. Because really, I mean, if you're in an internet business,
take a little
the most important thing
and
is
this is gonna be
what kind of team, what kind of marketing support are you going to get. So this is a little bit about.
So that's it.
This is our Team Zeus site where
and now that we have that,
we really show about us and about the resources on our team. I mean, when we designed this training site, we really designed it around the sense of people are looking to join with me because I have a tremendous ability to teach them marketing that a lot of people don't have and have been very successful. But a lot of it is based around not just us but around the whole team. And so these videos, testimonials, are really about the team resources that we have in place. This is a phenomenal story.
All right.
Help this guy.
So this will be here, and
I think like
a little wider,
first sale on
over here.
But the
just
play
button
a few
is right
dollars
there,
worth of marketing
and it actually plays
in pay-per-click.
Video right on the site. Nobody leaves
Marie
your site. You can see the menu bar up here.
Our behind-the-scenes person who does a lot of work with our team and really helps people with pay-per-click, because a lot of it is not just we're not just going to give you a book and some videos and say go try to do pay-per-click. Or like I know a lot of people say don't call your upline about pay-per-click. Call Google AdWords and ask them if you need help. So we're still going to do a little bit with we actually help
plugins here in a little bit.
Marie is the one who is the pay-per-click expert.
The meat and potatoes
qualified in AdWords and in Yahoo search marketing, and she often goes into accounts and really.
Okay, so we got a site here, and we don't have the icon up here. We just have keyword text here, so it's all good. And there you go. It's been about half an hour.